Hello, Mike Will here from Image One's IO Automate team. Today I wanted to show you a powerful but often overlooked integration between Microsoft Power Platform and Docuware. On my phone, I'm going to launch a Power App I developed that lets me type a short description and snap a picture right from my device. Here I'm capturing an image of vehicle damage, a great use case for organizations managing fleets or equipment in the field. This same setup could be customized for maintenance teams, quality assurance, or inspection reporting. Next, I'm taking a picture of delivered goods. In this case, the process becomes a simple proof of delivery workflow, ideal for logistics or service teams that need real-time visibility from remote locations. Once I hit sync to Docuware, all images upload automatically to Docuware, where they're instantly available for processing, approval, or record keeping. This integration illustrates how combining Power Platform's flexibility with Docuware's secure document management can be tailored to your unique business needs, whether it's field data capture, compliance tracking, or workflow automation. By connecting your everyday tools, you can eliminate manual steps, improve accuracy, and give your teams faster access to information they need to keep your business moving. Thank you.